Openhaus, essentially at its heart, is all about redefining networking. So what we aim to do is put people of similar calibre in a room to talk about the things that matter.
Really lovely to have some learners in the room and mixing those with some of the employers from the region to try and help close the digital skills gap.
The services that Althaus provide, I wasn't aware of them before as well. So now I want to know all about your training provisions and about how I can send you my CVs. I think there's a really good partnership that we can have between us.
It was nice to see a panel of people from Althaus and other employers, and just to get a feel of what actually networking is all about.
It was really interesting to learn about what Althaus has available for learners like myself and people who might come onto the course that I could speak to.
It was phenomenal. I mean, the panel that I was sitting with today, I really loved the amount of investment that they're putting in. I networked today with probably 20 different people. Althaus is a testament to that.
There was a definite values alignment between what you do and what we're trying to do in terms of closing the digital skills gap for the region.
Really appreciate everyone coming to this event. This is the first one that we held in Birmingham, so it was lovely to see a mixture of learners and employers in the room, all talking about real things with real purpose. So thank you so much.